Hi guys, welcome back to another video of CDV, and today we are doing another POV drive, but instead, as you can see outside, we're doing it in the night. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's turn these off because they're blinding me right now. We're gonna go for a night POV drive. We're gonna see what the fuck is up. Let's go. So, if you guys don't know, we ain't in a regular Corsa. She's excited tonight. We warmed up the engine beforehand this time. Seems to be what I always forget to do. I always forget to warm up the engine, so hopefully the camera angle's better, but it might not be. So, if you guys don't know about my Corsa, you guys new or whatever, right? We are running stock. It's a 1.4 litre, 75 horsepower beast, right? Probably faster than a Lamborghini, but I'll go this way. Boys, just listen to the sound of this, yeah? Oh! 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 That is hot. That is hot as shit. Right, I'm just closing the window because I don't want the wind. But that was what this car's all about, boys. We're running a COBRA Sport Exhaust back box, fucking ram air filter. We got this just the nuts, boys. So, you know, you want to come away from watching these POV drives with these fucking Lamborghinis and these BMWs, boys, come on, come through this one. It's sick. Like, I don't like driving in like this twilight. But yes, boys. Obviously, I've wanted to do a night POV for a while, yeah, but it's just, when it was middle of the summer, it wasn't getting night till really, really dark. I mean, I know it's not pitch black now, right, but still, it's still much better than it was. Yeah, I mean, it's not pitch black, but it's better than, because, you know, we'd be waiting till 11 o'clock usually. It's only 8:30, I thought it was at least at 9. But yeah, it's 8:30 and it's nice. So that's why we're doing it, boys. Very rare that I get, this is why I like the POV drives as well, because it's rare that I just get to hear the car, because I usually have the music up or the aircon on, but POV drives, and that's another reason why I couldn't do it in the summer, is because the aircon. I needed the aircon. At the minute it's fine, it's a bit chilly outside, you know, it's September. It's going to be hot this week though. Anyway, I'm getting beside the point. I've completely forgot what I was going to say. I completely forgot what I was going to say. I'm fucking useless at this, boys. You wouldn't think I'm a YouTuber, would ya? Oh well. Go left. Oh. Oh. Huh? Can't tell me that didn't just turn you, every single one of you guys on. You can't. It turned me on. I've got hard on right now. Don't look. And I really hope the camera or the GoPro is picking it up, because it is so beautiful. Honestly, listening to this fucking thing purr, it's just sexy. All right. It is so sexy. Jesus, these lights are bright. Now the thing is, right, at night, I don't want to go places where I don't know. Because yeah, sexy. I don't want to go places I don't know, because I just don't want to be like fucking around with the roads not knowing where to go. You guys know. Oh, what's a pothole? Just filmed it. I've got a few things planned for the YouTube as well, and the car. Hopefully we're getting something done, which would be very nice. I don't want to obviously spoil what it is, but we're going to get something done that would transform the car, what it looks like. Guess in the comments what do you reckon it'll be. I don't want to tell you guys, because it will completely ruin the surprise. But put in the comments what you guys think it will be, because as I said, yeah, it's going to transform the fucking car. Alright, yeah, I know where we're going to go. Yeah, I just thought of the route in my head. I know where we're going now. It'll be good, hopefully. Cross fingers. Thank you, sir. Those are like the smoothest bumps in the world. What the hell? The thing is about this car, yeah, the tyres are so thin. Now, I know that's just like styling, I love it, right? But the tyres are so thin and the suspension is firm. Even for a Corsa, it's kind of mad. The suspension's firm. And, oh, fucking hell, right, mate. Dick. I just love it, boys. Absolutely love it. Ah. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's not the old smoothest bump. But yeah, what I'm saying is the suspension's like firm and the tyres are thin. So it's like potholes and bumps, everything feels so hard. Unlike another person's car that I know who's got balloon tyres and suspension as high as fucking Snoop Dogg. And yeah, that's his tyres aren't. But it, yeah, it makes for a smooth ride. It's whatever you prefer, really, isn't it? I don't know if I can fit through there, so I'm just gonna hold it. I don't think I'm hitting them anywhere near hard enough to get a puncture or anything, but we had a little bit of a scare, right, earlier. Gotta show him who's boss. Dickhead. Trying to think my exhaust. Trying to take a piss out of my exhaust. I have no idea if he was. There's so many. Why did I go down this fucking road? I was such a twat. Why did I choose the bumpiest road in the fucking world? I have no clue why. Here's another one. I think they should all go now. Let's have a look. Oh, hot. This is hot. This is spicy. This is sexy. Take that. There's no one there. First gear pulls sounds so nice, but so scary. If you know what I mean. As you can see, I'm really hesitant to send it. I do not want to smash into one of these fucking hedges. I'm sure you guys can understand. We've been down this road plenty of times in the POVs. Let's go, fuck dropping a gear, we're just gonna send it. Because the last thing I want to do is go into that hedge because I'm a twat.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Cheers, mate. Appreciate that, buddy. Oh, gotta slow down here. Ugh. Almost ripped my exhaust off once up there. God, I think I've told that story 100 times. Here we are, 40s. You ready for this downshift, boys? Are you ready? That was hot as shit. That is what I believe they say in France. Le hot. That was le hot. Alright, let's head in here. For one last pull, as they say. Ready? Let's go. One last pull. Shit. Roadworks? I don't see any. Window up. And I think we'll call it a day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this night POV. I know I didn't send it as much as You know I would, but come on boys, it's night time, I don't want to take the piss. More videos on the way, as I've already spoken about. We've got more shit coming, and you guys aren't going to be disappointed. I can make sure of that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye guys.